In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Street View in Google Maps on Android. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update the app so the interface and features match what you see here. In the search bar at the top, type the address or place you want to explore, then tap it in the results to center the map on that location. You can also simply drag and zoom around the map if you're browsing. There are two easy ways to enter Street View. The first is by using the Layers button. Look for the square Layers icon, usually in the top right corner of the map. Tap it, then, under Map Details, choose Street View. This will highlight all available Street View coverage as blue lines across roads and paths. Tap any blue line on the map, and Street View will open at that spot. If you don't see blue lines, Street View likely isn't available there. Try zooming in a bit more or moving to a nearby main road where coverage is more common. The second way is by dropping a pin. Press and hold on the map at the exact spot you want to view. A red pin will appear, and a small information card will slide up from the bottom. If Street View exists for that pin, you'll see a thumbnail image labeled Street View. Tap that thumbnail to jump directly into a 360-degree view. Once you're inside Street View, swipe left or right to look around, and swipe up or down to tilt your view. Use the on-screen arrows on the road to move forward or backward along the street. Pinch to zoom in for details, like storefronts or signs. If you see a small compass icon, tapping it can align your view to north. And on many devices, you can gently rotate your phone to pan, which feels more natural when exploring. To back out of Street View, tap the back arrow in the top corner to return to the map. If you need to check coverage again, revisit the Layers button and make sure Street View is toggled on so blue lines are visible as you pan around. A quick tip: if imagery looks outdated, that's normal. Street View is captured at different times. You may be able to move a little farther along the road to find a newer angle. And if you're on mobile data, Street View can use bandwidth quickly. So consider connecting to Wi-Fi for a smoother experience. That's it. Now you know the fastest ways to find and use Street View in Google Maps on Android.